Most men have no idea they're hugging wrong, and it's costing them the connection they're desperately searching for. Think about it. You go in for the hug. She hugs back. It lasts 2 seconds. You pull away. And somehow, even though you were just physically closer than ever, you feel more distant than before. That moment of connection that was supposed to bring you together, it barely registered for either of you. And you don't know why. Here's what I'm going to show you today. The art of the hug, and how mastering this one simple human gesture can literally double the love, trust, and emotional closeness a woman feels toward you. Stay till the end, because the last point is the one that changes everything, and almost no man ever gets it right. Let me tell you about Marcus. Regular guy, good heart, genuinely cared about the woman in his life. But every time things felt emotionally distant, every time she seemed checked out or disconnected, he had no idea what to do. He'd try to talk it out. She'd shut down. He'd try to fix it. She'd pull away more. One day his grandmother told him something that stopped him cold. She said, "Baby, sometimes a woman doesn't need your words. She needs to feel that you're not going anywhere." Marcus started hugging differently that same week. Longer, slower, more present. 3 months later, his relationship felt brand new. Same woman, different energy, all because of one shift. That shift could be yours too. So let's break it down. Number 1, slow down and actually arrive. Most men hug in a rush. Arms out, pat on the back, done. But a real hug starts before your arms even wrap around her. Take a breath. Be present. Look at her for just a second before you pull her in. That moment of intention, that pause, tells her subconsciously that this isn't just a greeting. This is you choosing her, in that moment, on purpose. Women feel that difference instantly, even if they can't explain why. Number 2, let her set the release. This is the one nobody talks about. Most men decide when the hug ends. They pull back first, every single time. And without realizing it, they're sending a message. I've given you enough. Time to move on. Instead, hold the hug. Let her be the one to ease back first. You'll be shocked how often she stays longer than you expected. And in that extra 2 or 3 seconds, something real happens. She feels safe. She feels chosen. She feels like she doesn't have to rush back to the world just yet. Number 3, use your presence, not just your arms. A hug isn't just physical. It's energetic. If you're hugging her while your mind is somewhere else, she feels it. Put the phone down before you hug her. Don't hug her mid-conversation about something stressful. When you embrace her, be there completely. Breathe. Relax your body. A tense hug communicates anxiety. A soft, steady, grounded hug communicates, "I've got you." And those 3 words, felt through your body, are what every woman is craving from the man in her life. Number 4, make it a daily ritual, not a random event. The most powerful thing you can do is make real intentional hugging a consistent part of your daily connection. Good morning, before you leave, when you come home, before you sleep. It takes 10 seconds. But those 10 seconds, done daily with presence and intention, build an emotional bank account that keeps her feeling loved, secure, and deeply connected to you. Consistency is what turns a gesture into a love language. Here's the truth that ties it all together. Women don't fall deeper in love through grand gestures. They fall through the small moments, done consistently, where they feel truly seen, held, and safe. A hug isn't just a hug. It's a conversation your body is having with hers. And when you learn to speak that language fluently, everything changes. You were never lacking the ability to love her better. You were just missing the awareness of how powerful the smallest moments really are. And now you have it. So here's your move. Try this tonight. Just one intentional hug. Slow, present, and let her pull back first. Then come back and drop in the comments, what changed? Share this with a man who needs to hear it. And if you want more content that helps you build deeper connections, subscribe, because we're just getting started.